Hi, I'm Devin Shute. Welcome to the TRG Money Minute. So as promised last week, here is your US election results analysis and the big question, has Joe Biden won? The short answer, no. In contrast to what the polls forecast leading up to the election, the race between Biden and Trump has been an incredibly closely run affair. As we stand, there hasn't been any official result yet, but some media outlets have been calling a Joe Biden victory. This doesn't mean the election's over. We will only know for sure when the winner is certified, and this isn't going to happen before challenges in court are heard to ensure all electoral processes are upheld. But let's think, what could a Joe Biden victory mean? Well, it could help with the trade impasse between the US and China, and this could be positive for global trade and specifically for trade with South Africa. There could be increasing regulatory pressure on the large US tech companies like Facebook, and there could also be an increase in US taxes and minimum wages, which we'll keep an eye out for. However, ironically, it looks like the Republicans would retain their control in the legislative body. Now, if they maintain power in the Senate, this would make it more difficult for Biden to put through any significant changes, and the result may actually be a more stable environment with slower and more moderate changes to policies. So in my view, I expect that you and I are going to be chatting about this US election for some time to come. In other news, what was anticipated to be the biggest listing of all time, investors were scrambling over each other to buy a piece of Jack Ma's Ant Group. This company owns China's largest digital payment platform with over 1 billion users. However, the listing was postponed by regulators at the last minute due to changes that they wanted to enforce in their fintech laws. And this really highlights the regulatory risk for investors attached to companies in China. And in a fantastic good news story, Aspen announced a deal to manufacture global Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccines, and this will see them producing almost 1 million doses a day from their sterile Port Elizabeth facility from as early as March. A proudly South African moment. Thanks for watching. Have a good week.